Bingo Cash Practice Mode does not work the same way as paid games because practice play is designed for learning the game without the same conditions as competitive matches. By the end, you will know how Bingo Cash Practice Mode works, whether practice results affect payouts, and what to check before switching to paid games. The main thing to understand is that practice mode is generally used to learn gameplay. It allows players to become familiar with the controls, rules, and game flow before entering competitive games. Practice results should not be treated the same as results from paid matches. If a game is only a practice session, the outcome may not qualify for rewards or payouts connected to competitive play. Before starting a practice game, check the details shown inside the Bingo Cash app. Look for information about the game type, entry requirements, and whether rewards are connected to that specific mode. Practice mode can still be useful because it helps you understand how the game works without entering a competitive match. You can learn the interface, timing, and scoring system before playing in other rooms. If you switch from practice mode to paid games, remember that the experience may change. Competitive games include other players, different conditions, and different results. A common mistake is assuming that a high score in practice mode guarantees the same result in paid games. Practice can help you learn, but it does not replace actual competitive experience. If you are unsure whether a specific Bingo Cash mode pays rewards, check the information displayed before joining. The app should show whether the game has an entry requirement, prize information, or reward details. If you notice that your results are not matching your expectations, review the type of game you played. Confirm whether it was practice mode or a competitive match before looking for a payment issue. The main points are simple. Practice mode helps you learn the game. Practice results are different from competitive results, and you should check the game details before expecting a payout. Your next step is to open Bingo Cash and review the rules of the mode you want to play before starting the game. If this guide helped you understand Bingo Cash Practice Mode, like the video and subscribe for more app guides and troubleshooting tips.